Okay, so continuing on with the Hampton Bay theme on my channel, we have this Hampton Bay Pearl. I got this off of OfferUp, once again, and I also got it new in the box, so that's good. It is from December of 2002, so it's already 18 years old. And the reason I say that is because this video is being filmed in December, so you're most likely going to see this three months later. So, yeah. From what I've heard, these fans are knockoffs of the Hunter and Nova, so if I had to take a guess on the inspiration for this, Home Depot probably looked through some Hunter catalogs and they saw the Innova and thought, hey, we can do that too. And so that's how this was created, most likely. One thing that I like about these fans are the high gloss blades that they have, and I love high gloss blades. Also, a couple things, or a couple differences about a couple differences between this and the Innova is that this is 52 inches and the Innova is, I think, like 42 or 44 inches. And this has blade badges, while the Innova doesn't. So, yeah. Also, you might notice that well, I mean, I'm not sure if you can notice, but off screen I'm using a work light so that you can see the fans better. So, yeah. Anyway, before I turn this fan on, I'm going to give you a closer look at it. Alright, and now to demonstrate it. Here's the light. And we'll start it off on low. Oh, and one thing that I probably should have mentioned at the beginning is that this has a canopy ring, which is something that a lot of I think a lot of Hampton Bays from this time had. Don't know if that's still a thing on New Hampton Bays because I don't pay attention to most of those. So, yeah. Okay, now let's put it to medium. Oh, and another thing is that since this is from the early 2000s, it has the Hampton Bay badge, which is another thing that Hampton Bays from this time had. The 90s versions of sorry, the 90s versions had the Hampton Bay tag. So yeah, I don't know what else to say. I don't know what else to. Bleh. Sorry, I have a stutter. The stand is also pretty quiet, so that's actually kind of surprising. I was expecting it to make be loud because you know. Okay, now let's put it to high. It is pushing some air. It's not one of the best Hampton Bays ever, but it's also not one of the worst either. And it does wobble quite a bit, but it's nothing too major. Alright, now I'm going to turn it off. So, there you have it. That is my Hampton Bay Pearl, and I hope you enjoyed this video.